morning for this Tuesday, March 4th. One stock I want to talk to you today about is QCOR, QCOR, QCOR. All right, now this has got a nice move up, nice uptrend, and we've pulled back to a pretty good area here. All right, look at this. We've moved up quite a bit. We've pulled down quite a bit, quite frankly, but I believe we're in a support area here. We're trading between the 50 exponential moving average, the 200 down in here. All right, so between the 50 and the 200, and we stop dead in its tracks at the gray action zone there. So, but what makes this even more interesting is that yesterday, Monday the 3rd, right here, it created an engulfing pattern. Okay, now this engulfing pattern, I would say, is more bearish than bullish, right? Because it closed right here. Now, with the overall market making new highs today, of course, this is gapped up a little bit. But again, this is a pharmaceutical company, so this is pretty independent from the overall market. Okay, so again, what I saw yesterday is an engulfing pattern, kind of a neutral engulfing pattern, a little bit more on the bearish bias. And then today being, it's up. The market hasn't been able to fill the gap, okay, just like the general market, right? But it looks like we're going to create an inside pattern, which could set up, which could be our trigger bar for a setup tomorrow. So, whenever you have a market pull back into a logical support area like we're at right now, coupled with a couple patterns, right, in combination with a couple patterns, meaning yesterday was an engulfing pattern, more bearish than bullish for sure. And then today, with an inside pattern, tomorrow will set up. And I would be looking to buy this market as it takes out today's high. So assuming today's high stays in place at 65.79, I'd be a buyer tomorrow at 65.89 with an initial catastrophic stop below the low of the day at 63.50. Okay, so a relatively tight risk, a tight stop with pretty big upside potential. All right, now the ATR, the average true range on this stock, is $4.25. So you'd be risking a lot more, or risking a lot less than the average true range, which I like to see that. Right? I love, and you know this by now, I love when the market starts to contract, okay? When the market contracts in a logical support zone in an overall uptrend, that's where I believe you get the most powerful trade setups with the best risk to reward ratio. And so that's what I'm looking at for tomorrow, QCOR. Okay, so we'll be talking about that first thing tomorrow morning, okay, right after the market opens or just before. Okay, hope that helps. Have a profitable day. Bye for now.